In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth was without form and void. Without form and void in Hebrew is tohu vavohu. It means an utter waste, a desolation. And it's the same word that the prophet Jeremiah used to describe the desolation of the land of Israel after that the judgment of God had come for their rebellion of Israel and for their failure to keep the Sabbaths of the Lord. And so they were judged, and Jeremiah described the land as tohu vavohu. This is the condition that began and commenced the creation of God, that he visited utter waste where there was only darkness. But in the darkness, the Spirit of God moved and the Word of God came forth. And the Word of God continued to come forth until the earth was made, until the lights were divided, and until the image of the Son of God is revealed. And the hope that we have in this Word is that though we be a desolate waste, though we've made an utter waste of our life, though we be barren and bereaved, though we be addicted and oppressed and depressed, this is the raw material, and that's all that God needs to begin his creative work in us. And what he speaks to us when we're in darkness is simply light. And what he speaks to us when we're at the depths of the sea is to rise up and to begin to bring forth. What he speaks to us when we're dead is to live. What he speaks to us when we're sealed up behind the tomb is to come forth. If you've been smitten by God, if you've been judged by every plague, if you're lost in addiction in the waste howling wilderness, there's a word that can penetrate the wilderness. There's a word that can penetrate the darkness, and it is the word of your Creator. Receive your deliverance and allow him to clothe you with the garments of salvation and to beautify you with his presence.